Hi, I'm Callum Goodland. I'm the country manager for Philips Lumileds, and we're here to talk about the ADR 820. So if you have a look, we have a great Dashcam product available now that's been launched with all of its accessories. We have the main unit, which is a front-facing Dashcam to record traffic incidents for the purposes of insurance, evidence gathering, or if there's a police incident or just general bad driving practice, it's there to protect you, the driver. It's supported by other accessories which we're launching at this show. So you have a GPS module that you can see there, and that gives you date, time and actual location in terms of coordinates of where the incident happened. So again, for insurance purposes, that's really important. It also comes with an optional rear cam accessory so that you can really capture that complete vehicle activity, both rear and front. It's a high quality camera and it's 1080 video. It comes with sound and all of the features you would expect on a high-end premium dash cam. We're also launching at this show a new accessory, which is the waveguard accessory, which means that when the dash cam and you're away from your car, the dash cam will also record any incident where somebody hits your vehicle. You could be out shopping away from the vehicle. It's happened in car parks that somebody hits the vehicle or bumps into it, and that again will be triggered and the video will be recorded both front and rear for evidence that you can go back and see who damaged your vehicle. So a real premium product that comes with all the accessories that you would want in a top-end dash cam.